Hello and welcome. Today we're showing how to create an empty state screen with the Ionic Design Kit. Perfect for keeping users engaged when there's nothing to show. Let's get right into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. If you need to take a closer look at anything during the video, feel free to pause it. Empty state screens are often overlooked, but they play a key role in guiding users forward. Whether someone just signed up or hasn't added any content yet, this is your chance to set the tone. A friendly message, a simple icon or illustration, and one clear call to action. That's what makes it effective. The Ionic Design Kit includes all the elements you need: styled text, buttons, layout blocks, and graphics placeholders. You can create a screen that feels polished and intentional in just a few minutes. And because everything's built on the Ionic framework, the transition from design to code is seamless. You'll find the source files and helpful code snippets over on our website whenever you need them. Empty state screens aren't just space fillers, they're design opportunities. With the Ionic Design Kit, you can turn no data into a moment of clarity and guidance. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe for more hands-on guides. Catch you in the next video.